Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a spooky treat for you just in time for the Halloween season. We're taking a look at the best imPRESS Halloween press on nails, specifically the Let Me In design from Kiss. If you're looking to add some flair to your Halloween look without the hassle of traditional nail art, stick around as we explore these nails in detail. The Kiss imPRESS Press-On Manicure Halloween nails come in a medium length and a stylish coffin shape, making them perfect for those who want a touch of elegance mixed with a hint of spookiness. Inside the package, you'll find 30 stunning fake nails, ready to be applied in minutes. The color scheme is a vibrant multicolor, capturing the essence of Halloween. Think vibrant oranges, blacks, and even a touch of glow-in-the-dark magic. One of the standout features of these press-on nails is their user-friendly application. They require no glue, making the process super simple. Just peel, press, and you're good to go. In just a matter of minutes, you can achieve a salon-quality look right at home. I love how they fit snugly on the nail bed, providing a comfortable wear that lasts for several days, or even up to a week if you take care of them properly. Now, let's talk versatility. These nails are perfect for all your Halloween festivities. Whether you're going to a costume party, attending a spooky movie marathon, or simply want to feel festive, they can complement any look. The coffin shape gives a modern twist that adds a bit of edge, while the French-styled tips give it a classic, chic vibe. What I particularly appreciate about these nails is their attention to detail. The designs are not only eye-catching but also thoughtfully crafted. They add a playful yet sophisticated element to your overall appearance. And let's not forget about the glow-in-the-dark feature. It's a fun surprise for when the lights go down, perfect for Halloween night. The nails are made of durable acrylic, ensuring they withstand the usual wear and tear without chipping or breaking. They're designed for easy removal too, so when the Halloween fun is over, you can simply peel them off without damaging your natural nails. It's a great way to switch up your look without the commitment of gel or acrylic applications. So, if you're looking for an easy and stylish way to elevate your Halloween game, the Kiss imPRESS Press-On Manicure and Let Me In is definitely worth considering. They combine fun designs with a hassle-free application, making them the perfect accessory for any Halloween enthusiast. Plus, with 30 nails in a pack, you'll have plenty of options to mix and match or even share with friends. That wraps up our review of the best imPRESS Halloween press-on nails. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. Let us know in the comments if you'll be trying these nails or what your Halloween plans are this year. Until next time, stay spooky.